Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a product that many of you have asked about, especially if you're a pet owner or someone who frequently deals with lint and dust. We found the Scotch-Brite Everyday Clean Lint Roller, a versatile lint remover that claims to tackle everything from pet hair to dust on furniture. You can check out the link in the description for the latest price and availability. Now, let's get into what this product is all about. The Scotch-Brite Everyday Clean Lint Roller comes in a convenient 5-pack, providing you with a total of 475 adhesive sheets. This means you won't run out of lint rollers anytime soon, making it a great investment for keeping your living spaces tidy. One of the standout features of this lint roller is its design. It fits comfortably in your hand, making it easy to maneuver as you roll it over various surfaces. This is particularly useful when you're tackling larger areas or getting into those hard-to-reach spots. The durable handle is another plus, ensuring that you have a smooth and quiet rolling action as you remove lint and pet hair. No more annoying squeaks or stuck sheets. Speaking of the sheets, each of the 95 adhesive sheets is designed to tear cleanly down to the last one. This means you won't have to deal with any frustrating situations where the sheet rips unevenly, leaving you with a half-used sheet and an unwanted mess. This feature is especially important for quick cleanups when you're short on time. So, who is this product suitable for? If you own pets, you'll know that keeping your clothes and furniture fur-free can sometimes feel like a losing battle. The Scotch-Brite Lint Roller is perfect for pet owners who want to maintain a clean home without spending hours vacuuming or washing everything. But it's not just for pet owners. This lint roller is equally useful for anyone who wears dark clothes or has furniture that attracts dust and lint. If you find yourself constantly battling fluff on your favorite outfits or keeping your car interiors neat, this product is definitely for you. Now, let's talk about some practical use cases. Imagine you're heading out for a big meeting and you notice that your black blazer is covered in pet hair. With the Scotch-Brite Lint Roller by your side, you can quickly roll away the fur, leaving your outfit looking polished and professional. Similarly, if you're getting ready for a night out and want to ensure your outfit is looking its best, a few quick rolls with this handy tool can make all the difference. But it doesn't stop there. This lint roller can also be a lifesaver for your home. Use it on your furniture to keep your living room looking pristine, or take it to your car to remove crumbs and dust from your seats and floor mats. It's versatile enough to be used in the office, too. Just keep one at your desk to quickly remove lint from your clothes before an important presentation. And if you're someone who prefers a reusable option, you'll be pleased to know that the Scotch-Brite Lint Roller is refillable. You can use Scotch-Brite Lint Roller refills to keep the roller going, making it not only convenient but also eco-friendly. In conclusion, the Scotch-Brite Everyday Clean Lint Roller is an essential tool for anyone who wants to keep their clothes, furniture, and even their cars free from lint and pet hair. With its comfortable design, durable handle, clean-tearing sheets, and refillable capability, it's a reliable choice that helps you maintain a clean and tidy environment. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to subscribe to the channel.